How to delete stickers on iPhone. So if you want to delete stickers on iPhone, it's actually quite simple. The problem you're having could be quite simple. If you have a certain photo of which you created, let's say, a sticker of, right? So I would just long press on it right here. Then once I long press on a certain subject, it will give me a couple of options that says to add a sticker. So let's say I have added this as a sticker and then I have added it just like this. What do I do next time that if I want to delete this sticker? Well, if I want to delete that sticker, basically all I have to do is, you can see these options right here. So all I have to do is just long press on that sticker just like this and you'll find the delete button. So you just have to go to the stickers tab first of all from here, which looks like this icon right here, and then you have to just go ahead and then long press on it, tap the delete button, and then just the sticker will be successfully deleted. This way you'll be able to delete stickers on iPhone. I hope that this video helped you. If you have got any further questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the very end of this tutorial and see you soon in the next video.